So here we have the Kingdom Anti-Clog Carbon Fiber Shower Filter. Now this filter removes chlorine sediments, heavy metals that dry your skin, and it protects your hair and nails. It also removes chlorine, cadmium, lead, sediments, odor, and residue chemicals. Now, if you're like me and you know your water is not really great to drink in my area, and you take the time and effort to buy bottled water, then why are we showering with this contaminated, not top-notch water? Now, if you can't afford to put a whole filter system in your house, or you live in an apartment, then this is a major solution to getting clean water for your hair and body when you shower. Now the cartridge is made of pleated polyester, non-woven and composite carbon fiber. It removes 99.5% of chlorine, 97.3% of lead, and with the dual filter, it has the performance benefits of not reducing flow rate of 5 gallons per minute, with sufficient water flow to make every shower more pleasurable. Compared with upflow shower filters, this pleated polyester increases the filter area by 45 times, which greatly improves the anti-clogging ability, and high pressure and strong flow will last for the whole service time. The housing is made of PC plastic with metal threads that can withstand 78 pounds of shock without breaking, and also prevent age within 6 years. The metal threads will not peel like plastic ones. It's easy to replace the cartridges, just unscrew the canister on the sides, all done in 1 minute. Service life is 3,000 gallons, which should last you about 6 months. Amazon sells a replacement filter. So if you want all the benefits of cleaner water coming from your shower, which you cannot control in some situations, this filter gives you the power to control the chemicals and the contaminants that reach your skin, your hair, and your body. It may look big and bulky, but the white covering just blends into the shower area, and you won't notice it after a few times.